Heyo, so I'm doing the thing again with the unboxing. I got a pre-release pack again for Sun and Moon Team Up. It looks like it's the Jirachi set. I already have this one, but I do like Jirachi. There is one I still don't have. I might just get that particular promo card. It's probably less expensive, probably. But in total, I got probably could have just gotten a booster box next week. I might do that next time I think about this, because there's 12 packs, but they're randomized as opposed to the way that would be ideal. Such is life. I will move on with my mistakes. But that said, let's take a look at what we get. But let's change this here. That way, or the focus, so that way I actually see things they have. Gonna be blurry. I'ma be blurry. So, got this. Oh, also, since it was so small, time when I did unbox it, this is the Greninja card for the Detective Pikachu set. There we go. So yeah, that was the one. That's the only different thing that I got, that and the Charizard. Which completes the set. I should now have everything. That is the wrong box. That was the code cards that I've amassed at this point that are in the second set. So, since I have a million Dragon Majesty, they're all in Dragon Majesty sleeves. This is the Charizard from the set. So yes, everything else in that set I of course already had, because that was the only one I needed. That and the promo that was in that set that I got. So that completes the Detective Pikachu tiny mini set. And then we have these. Metal Energy, Spiritomb, Viridian Forest, Tentacruel, Zorua, Larvitar, Psyduck, Lullaby, Weedle, Cute Charmander, and Moltres. I do believe I already have, but still. Okay, let me... There we go, I thought that looked out of focus. There we go. Now you can see the not rubber version of the chicken. The shiny looks like a burning rubber chicken on fire, which is pretty great, you know? That's what I think everyone's looking for in their Phoenix, is a burning rubber chicken. But that said, it's still a shiny, so I still have one. On go. Darkness Energy, Hitmonlee, Metal Goggles, Golduck, Volt Orb, Squirtwell, Bronzer, Klefki, Pidgey, the reverse foil Charizard, which might be one I don't have, actually, and Pinsir. I do not have... I mean, this set has a lot, so I think that there are several I don't have still. A great deal. 181, so you're talking 400 some cards, maybe? Something like that. And you get through all the reverse foils, which I'm obviously not going to do all the reverse foils. It's too big of a set. It's not one of the like fancier mini sets. Although I'll never complete my Dragon Majesty set, which makes me sad. At least I have all the cards that I really, really care about. I just don't have the rare ones. Nidoran, Cosmog, Magikarp, Starmie, and Mimikyu, which is a rare. Regular star cards, I'm convinced, are mostly just, well, we want to give someone a rare card, so what's a really common thing we can make? And so they're like the rares that aren't actually rare. There might be exceptions, especially if there's like a rare trainer, but for the most part, they are not all that big of a deal. Got Fairy Energy, a Wartortle, a Pup-It-R, keeps changing color on the color correct, a Puck-Emon Communication, a Weedle, a Dratenei, a Grimmer, a Ponyta, a Smog, the other Charmander reverse foil, and Bisturbibe. I don't think, well, maybe I do. I don't remember if I have the regular or the full art on that, if it even has a full art. I'm guessing I have that one, I don't know, but I'll take a GX. I'll always take a GX. So, we did get a GX in this case, which is good. Alright, so, Lightning Bolts, a Kabuto, Nita, Nidorina, which I still need the regular Nidoqueen, that is a card I'm still looking for. Ponyard, Alolan Grimer, Ponyta, Mareep, Charmander, Alolan Geodude, and Parasect. But yeah, I have not had the greatest of luck with this set. I mean, I had good luck towards the start, but since then it's really kind of petered out. There are definitely a lot of cards I could use, especially towards the like secret rare kind of stuff that certainly is not going to show up in the majority of packs. Energy, another Kabuto, Nidorino, Fairy Charm, Pentacool, Paris, Ponyard, Staryu, Onedge, Mightyena, and Pangoro. I don't know if I have the Pangoro. I don't think I do. I'll take it. Water Energy, Jinx, Hitmonlee, Dana, Squirtle, Floating Shell, Pentacool, Grimer, Pidgey, other Dratini, Reverse Foil, Zoroark, and Zangoose. I don't think I have the Zangoose either. It's a nice picture. With the top 6 cards of your deck, reveal any number of Pokemon you find there, and put them into your hand. Discard the other cards. Ooh, that's not really that good. The art's nice. The art. Then, what's next? My last 2 packs are Eevee Snorlax. So that, since I didn't deliberately select them, I'll hope that that's good luck. Psychic Energy, Nita, Tauros, Boracat, Mareep, Vulpix, Joltik, Blitzel, Squirtle, Parasect, Reverse Foil, I don't know if I have, and Alolan Golem I do think I have. his electromagnetic bomb. Steal all of your other guys' electricity. So it can be pretty strong. But it's not great, I guess. The power creep kind of makes certain cards questionable as to their usefulness. That's how I will word that. Water Energy, Hitmonlee, Doublade. I think that's how you say it. I think it's French. Dangerous Drill. Dratini and Weedle, because they stuck together there. Grimer. Ponyta. Cosmog. Hey, there's my Nidoqueen. It's a reverse foil. Queen's Call. And there's a regular Nidoking to go with it. Interesting pack. Queen's Call. Once during your turn for your attack, you may search your deck for Pokemon that isn't a GX or EX and reveal it and put it into your hand. So, I have all the Nidoran family now in at least some form, which is good because I like the Nidoran family. They're cool. They're definitely one of the more creative, but still a decent balance of both cool and cute that's in the series. Electric, Hitmonlee, Doublade again, Dangerous Drill again, a Fire Cat, Ana J, Emolga, Emo Elga, Mareep, Vulpix, Tentacool reversal? I think I have it, but I don't know. And then Aerodactyl. And then, see, look at these guys. Ah! They such a silly. The EVP, and I'm like, eh. We have Ayah. Hitmonlee. He's called that because he's a Hitmon. Kabuto. Perfect timing. Helioptile. Hello. I'm right in the middle of a video. Yeah. Alright. Bye. Great. Too late now. It is an unboxing. Can't do anything about it. How professional. Helioptile. Execute. Percy. Meowth. Alolangeaudidae. The other Alolan Golem. And Galvantula. A Nerve. When your opponent plays an item supporter card from their hand, prevent all effects from that card done to this Pokemon. Because he's spooky. Spooky Angela. Be scared. And what do we finish off with here? We have a purple eyeball. And a Kabuto, and a Nidorina, a Ferroceid, a Pidgeotto, a Charmander, Star U, Litten, Pokemon Communication Reverse Foil, which I do believe I have, and Bisturbibe. Maybe that's the Bisturbibe I have. I might have both. Don't know. Don't have those cards out in front of me right now. But that is about all I have for now. There will be maybe a little bit of a stream tonight. I don't know. So with that said, thank you guys for watching. Have a good day, night, afternoon, morning, wonders where you are. Hope to see you again real soon. And take care.